We're not just lame losers in a Honda Pilot. We got some bad parts, bro. Look, car parts. Look, yeah. Damn, son, I can feel it.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today my brother is getting the wheels mounted on the Integra that we got from our buddy Matt. He just gave us these wheels and said, you know what, make good use out of them. They're 17s. We typically go for a 16 or a 15, but since they're free, we're definitely going to use them. My brother ended up painting them white. We ended up getting tires from Budget Wrench Apart for $80, which was a really good deal. They're 235, 45, 17s, so they're kind of wide. He will have to raise it up just a hair. But yeah, it looks really cool. I think we're going to go with that Fast and the Furious style theme with this car, and a lot of you JDM boys are going to be like, no, and cry about it. But, you know, it's his car, and I actually like the idea of doing that and making it look kind of cool. Everyone's doing the whole steer away from body kits and wings, and I think we should, you know, at least bring a big wing into this and make it look really cool. But if you don't like that, your opinion is invalid to me, and it is invalid to my brother. You can take that, write it down on a piece of paper, fold it up really neatly, and you know where you can shove it. But yeah, we're also doing some stuff to the Em2, and I'm going to show you what real quick. So the Em2 sounds super raspy, so we went and bought this from O'Reilly's. It was like $34. It's a MagnaFlow glass pack. Actually quiets it down pretty decently, but we are going to put this in. My welds look like crap. Here's some proof. As you could see, it looked like boogers. Ate a booger, threw up a booger, and had booger babies, and that's what my welds were. So yeah, not that great, but we grinded them down, we painted over them so they wouldn't rust, and it's not leaking, so that's the most important part, and it's super strong. We tested that as well. But this thing does sound a little bit better. I put a before clip and an after clip, that way you can kind of compare them. It did make a difference. It's less raspy. Now it does still have some rasp, but that is to be expected with this cheap eBay tip that's on the back here. There's no packing inside of them. They're super hollow and they just sound like crap. So we're gonna cut this off and send Foreman. If you guys didn't already know, he has made a lot of stuff for the channel. Texas Honda Channel shift knob, custom blow-off valve insert, stuff like that. He sent me an HKS blow-off valve in the past, and all kinds of cool stuff. He actually recommends doing a Jones muffler, which I will put a link in the description. They sound absolutely incredible. Do some research on them. That's what we're going to be putting on here with the resonator that we already got done. So it does sound a lot better, and inside the car it sounds really good. But we did quiet it down, which was part of the goal today, and getting my brother's wheels installed. So I'm super happy about that. But he's recording me right now, and he's gonna pretend like he's not. But yeah, so we have some plans for the Integra still. I still need to do some stuff with the case swap and show you guys the engine bay real quick. So it looks pretty much the same, but we have a high gloss 2K clear from Spray Max over the top. I didn't record it. I just had a little 2K clear left over from when I was painting a right-hand drive Sylvia's engine bay, and I decided to go ahead and use it. No, I don't have pictures or videos for you guys because the owner requested me not to show everyone because it's not finished yet. So out of respect for him, I'm not going to. But I ended up doing parts that are black, like the bracket here and all the other black parts with the prism effect over it. You can get the clear effects clear from AutoZone O'Reilly's. And as you can see, it looks really awesome in the sunlight. Got this little video clip while the sun was out right before it rained, and it just looks absolutely incredible. Now, if you haven't noticed, the valve cover is a darker gold than the rest. That's because we got it powder coated by J1 Combat Coating here in Coppers Cove, Texas. Link will be in the description for his information if you're interested in powder coating and you're located in the Central Texas area. But we're going to do the strut brace a little bit different color, but it's running really good. We ended up getting the new tires for mine, so now I'm not showing wires. We ended up getting it aligned here in Coppers Cove as well. So that information will be in the description. They do Hondas that are lowered, so definitely go check them out if you are in the area and you need your lowered car. It's not just Hondas that they do. If they do lowered imports, anything that's lowered, they can do them. So yeah, it's coming along pretty good. It's running strong. The exhaust is sounding a little bit better, but we will get it even better, and it's looking really good. So now we're ready to go to Kansas. They're having an event there, and it, I believe, is in Wichita, Kansas, or Winfield, Kansas, somewhere. I'll definitely let you know in the description below where it's located. I will be going there on the 26th of this month. So in a couple days, we'll be there in Kansas. So if you guys want to see us, come out, check us out. We're going to have the car out there. It's not perfect by any means, but it'll be there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I've been super busy. I mean, really, really busy. So I haven't been able to get a lot of stuff done, but we will have video of the powder coating of this valve cover on both channels, this channel and my other channel. If you're not subscribed to the other channel, definitely go subscribe. But that's basically it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.